The top 5 best criminal liars in Arizona. The top 5 best criminal liars in Arizona. If you are looking for the best criminal liar in Arizona to handle your legal needs, you are come to the right place. In this blog post, we will be taking a look at the top 5 best criminal liars in the state. We will discuss their qualifications and experience as well as their ability to provide the best possible representations for their clients. Read on the find out who made the cut and why. Number 1, James E. Novak. James E. Novak is a renowned criminal defense lawyer in Arizona with more than 25 years of experience in criminal law. His legal representation has extended to state and federal courts across the nation, including the Supreme Court of the United States. James E. Novak is also highly sought after by clients due to his success rate and his ability to provide effective strategies for his clients. James E. Novak has represented numerous clients accused of crimes ranging from drugs possessions to murder. He specializes in providing comprehensive defense strategies that seek to obtain the best possible outcome for his clients. Mr. Novak also provides sound advice regarding the legal options available to clients so that they can make an informed decision about their case. In addition, Mr. Novak has a wealth of experience in negotiating plea bargains on behalf of his clients and is well versed in the complexities of defending against prisoners who are pushing for harsh sentences. He prides himself on providing personal attention to each case and crafting creative solutions that serve to protect his client's interests. If you are a loved one or facing a criminal charge with owe it to yourself to get in touch with James E. Novak as soon as possible. His impressive track record speaks for itself, and you can trust that he will fight aggressively on your behalf. Second one is Joshua Eldot Davidson. Joshua Eldot Davidson is an experienced criminal defense attorney in Arizona. He earned his law degree from the University of Arizona College of Law and has been practicing uh, criminal law for nearly 15 years. Joshua has experience in a wide range of cases from misdemeanors to felonies and specializes in defending clients charged with drug offenses and domestic violence. Joshua has a passion for the law and a commitment to helping clients achieve justice. He is dedicated to providing personalized and individualized representations to each of his clients, always striving to make sure they understand their options and how their case may proceed. Joshua is a staunch advocate for the rights of his clients, fighting tirelessly to ensure they receive fair treatment in court. Joshua has achieved several successes in his legal career, including dismissals, acquittal, and EDC. He has also named as one of the top criminal defense attorney in Arizona by Super Liars magazine in 2023. Joshua is available for consultations and offers virtual meetings so clients can have the opportunity to discuss their cases and their options without leaving the comfort of their homes. For those who need help navigating the legal system and standing up for their rights, Joshua L. Davidson is an excellent choice for a criminal defense lawyer in Arizona. I hope so you can understand my video, and I will meet you in the next video. Thanks for watching my video.